Oh, look who's on the porch. Oh, look who's on the porch. Oh, look who wants to be on the porch. Who is just on the porch. And guess who is not supposed to be on the porch and on the porch? This is my life. Yesterday, I go out to the barn and there are 3 fighting llamas because one broke down the fence to attack the other 2. And I had to chase them around, separate them, and now I have 3 escapees in the backyard. Yeah, I see you. So now I get to chase these 3 back into the barn, way over there. And look how smart I am. Oh, Farmer Nancy's so smart. She parked her Jeep, then put 2 trash cans next to it so they can't get out the gate. Isn't she smart? She's annoyed. That's what she is. Well, at least Dip and Dap, as you can see, my mountain goats are still pretending to be mountains. And where do you think you're going? Huh? Yeah. She says, I know, I've been a bad girl. This bad girl needs to go back. Huh? Oh, look who's following me. Dip and Dap. Look at them. They're looking at my gate. There's no way. Oh, good. Now we have Cody out. Now we have 2 horses, a donkey, and a dog. Well, it's a nice springy-like day. Oh, no, you don't. Don't even think about this gate. You cannot get through. You might be able to. Look at her. She's looking. Look at her. Aren't I smart? Such a genius. Look at them. They're looking. They want to get out. But they are not. They want to attack Cody. No, they won't attack Cody. Even in his old age, they are, or he is faster than they are. Look at him. Oh, I know there's a spot I can get out of. I just know there is. Ta-ta. What's on the other side of the fence? I bet the snow is whiter on the other side of the fence. Can we go out and see if the snow is whiter on the other side of the fence? Okay, well, I gotta put the camera down so I can chase animals again. Woohoo!